Hey everyone, so very quick video. I just want to show you how you can link your Redbubble store to your Google Analytics. It's very straightforward. Redbubble have made a blog post on how to do this, so there is a link in the description, but sometimes if you're anything like me, I need to see to help it sink in better. So here we go. So here I am in my Google Analytics dashboard. I've got three main properties. One is for my website, I've got one for TeePublic, and obviously one for Redbubble as well. I think what you're looking at right now is my roguepixelstudios.com website data. So now that I'm in my analytics dashboard, what I want to do is I'm going to go down to admin. And in the middle, I want to create a property. So I'm going to keep it at the default web property. And I'm going to go down and press continue. Now it's asking me for the website name. So I'm just going to put Rogue Pixel Redbubble. That's just a reference for you, so you know what you're looking at when you're reviewing your analytics page. And then the website URL needs to be, make sure that it's set to HTTPS, and then just enter www.redbubble.com. For the industry category, I'm going to select shopping and I'm going to create. So now we have our property, and as soon as our property has been created, if we click on tracking code, we'll get a code. It starts with UA and a lot of numbers at the top. So now that we know our tracking number, I'm just going to pop into my Redbubble store and log in. So now that I'm logged in, I want to go into my dashboard of my store, and on the left hand side, I'm going to go into Google Analytics. And now you can see that space at the bottom, it's asking for the web property ID. So I'm going to copy my tracking ID that I just generated in Analytics, and I'm going to paste it in here and save my changes. If you look near the top, you'll see it says your Google Analytics settings have been saved. So we know it's all been sorted, and that is all we need to do with regards to setting up and linking Analytics and our shop. So now if I go back to my analytics dashboard, I go home, so you need to allow analytics time to actually start collecting data on your store. So for now, everything is absolutely blank. If I show you my main original Redbubble store, open that now to show you what it looks like when it starts being populated with data. Most of these tabs are the last 7 days worth of information for us to look at. Obviously we can change. We can have a look at what's happened yesterday, today, the last 28 days. We can see the last 28 days I had 3.6k visitors. And then we can scroll down and have a look at what pages people were viewing, where my traffic came from, even down to my most popular days of the week where I had the most traffic and sales, as well as where people are located globally. So this is the default information you'll see. Obviously you can drill down into each of these sections to get more information about your audience, where they're coming from, how long they're staying, what they're looking at, and all of that good stuff. I'm not an expert user in analytics, guys, but I want to show you the things that I look at when I'm reviewing my analytics, and hopefully it'll help you see where your traffic is coming from, how many of your views are translating into sales. You can really drill down, get some useful information. So I will go through that in a later video, but for now, that was just a simple, straightforward how to connect your Redbubble to your Google Analytics. I hope that was helpful, guys, and I'll see you again really soon.